When we look up at the night sky, we see stars, planets, and galaxies. But what lies beyond them? What happens once you leave the protective bubble of our solar system? Today, we're recounting down the top 10 facts about interstellar space, mysterious frontier that scientists are only just beginning to explore. Buckle up, because we're heading beyond the edge of the sun's reach. Number 10. It officially begins beyond the heliosphere. First, let's define it. Interstellar space is the region between star systems. But where does it actually begin? For us, it starts once you leave the heliosphere, that giant bubble created by the solar wind that extends far past Pluto. Cross that invisible boundary, and you're officially in interstellar territory. Number 9. Voyager 1 and 2 have already been there. Only 2 human-made objects have ever entered interstellar. Space Voyager 1 in 2012 and Voyager 2 in 2018, launched back in the late 1970s. These spacecraft were never designed to last this long. Number 8. It's not empty. Think interstellar space is just a void. Not quite. It's filled with interstellar medium, thin soup of gas, plasma, and dust. In fact, there are about 1 million atoms per cubic meter out there. Compare that to Earth's atmosphere, which has billions of trillions of atoms in the same space, and you'll see just how thin it really is. Number 7. Cosmic rays are everywhere. In interstellar space, radiation is intense. Cosmic rays, which are high-energy particles from exploding stars, zip through space at nearly the speed of light. Our sun's magnetic field shields us from many of them. But once you're outside the heliosphere, there's no protection. This makes interstellar travel a huge challenge for future explorers. Number 6. It's freezing cold. Temperature works differently in space. In interstellar space, the average temperature hovers around minus 270 degrees Celsius, just a few degrees above absolute zero. Even though it's not a true vacuum, there's so little matter that heat can't spread easily. If a spaceship ventured there without proper shielding, it would be exposed to some of the coldest conditions in the universe. Number 5. Distances are almost impossible to imagine space. It's big. But interstellar space, it's almost unimaginable. The nearest star to us, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. That's about 25 trillion miles. Even if we could travel as fast as the New Horizons probe about 36,000 miles per hour, would take 80,000 years to get there. Number 4. Interstellar clouds can form new stars. Scattered throughout interstellar space are massive molecular clouds, sometimes called stellar nurseries. These dense regions of gas and dust collapse under gravity, eventually sparking nuclear fusion and creating brand new stars. In other words, interstellar space isn't just Empty, it's where stars are born. Number 3. Signals move through it very slowly. When Voyager sends signals back to Earth, they travel at the speed of light. Sounds fast, right? But even then, it takes over 22 hours for a one-way message to reach us. That delay only grows the farther into interstellar space a spacecraft goes, making real-time communication impossible. Number 2. It may contain clues about alien life. Interstellar space contains complex organic molecules, building blocks of life. Scientists have found amino acids, hydrocarbons, and other carbon-based molecules drifting between the stars. While that doesn't mean aliens are out there, it does suggest that the raw ingredients for life are spread across the galaxy. Number 1. We've barely scratched the surface. The truth is, we know almost nothing about interstellar space. The data we have comes mostly from Voyager, and those 2 tiny spacecraft are barely past the edge. Interstellar space stretches for thousands of light years between galaxies, and exploring it will take technology we haven't even invented yet. It's the final frontier, vast, mysterious, and waiting to be explored. So there you have it, the top 10 facts about interstellar space. From cosmic rays to stellar nurseries, it's a realm of extremes that continues to challenge and inspire scientists. Who knows, maybe one day humanity will venture there ourselves. Until then, we'll keep exploring, one discovery at a time.